Subscribe to the channel and also press this bell icon so you never miss another update from Diet Burp.
Hello and welcome to this awesome channel Diet Burp, where we talk about food and yes, food that helps you lose weight. I am Payal and I am a registered dietitian, and today we are going to discuss about the world famous GM diet that helps you in losing weight. Yes, they say that you lose around 5 to 10 kgs weight in just 1 week. We have Indianized this diet for you so that you can follow it with ease, and also, being a dietitian, I have introduced certain changes in this diet that will actually help you in several ways rather than just losing weight. We often hear that GM diet is a crash diet and should not be followed as it comes with a baggage of side effects. Well, you can turn the table around by following these simple thumb rules, and yes, not to forget that this diet is a real plateau breaker. So if you have been stuck in your weight loss journey, this diet is going to kickstart your metabolism and get you going again. Here are the thumb rules. Number 1, you should increase your water intake. Dehydration and hunger is a very bad combination that leads you to headache and weaknesses. So to avoid headache and weakness during GM diet, ensure that you drink at least 10 glasses of water every day. Second rule is to eat small and frequent meals. Eating every 2 hours or even early. Don't let the hunger set in. If you get hungry, you will end up eating the non-diet food and you will get demotivated and end up breaking the diet. So next time on GM diet, don't wait till you feel hungry. Just look at the clock and grab your meal. Third point is to add variety of vegetables and fruit in the diet. GM diet basically comprises of vegetable and fruit intake. And what we do in the name of salad? Just slice cucumbers and tomatoes and have that. Isn't that really boring? So please add variety to your diet so that you can enjoy the diet as well as acquire all possible micronutrients from various variety of fruits and vegetables. Next important rule is exercise. Although this diet plan is good for quick weight loss, but it is preferable to follow a 45 minutes exercise or walking routine for all 7 days. This will ensure that the muscles are toned up and you will lose weight from the right parts. Next point is alcohol. Alcohol is a strict no during these 7 days. Otherwise, you will end up falling into hypoglycemia. And yes, if you are a diabetic, please avoid following this diet. All said and done, now is the time to get started with the vegetarian GM diet plan for 7 days. Okay, so day 1 is all about eating fruits. And my take is to make this diet healthier, include a large variety of fruits in your diet. Whenever possible, eat the fruits with peel. This will help you in increasing your fiber intake. Citrus fruits like pineapple, orange, lemon, sweet lime, strawberries will provide you with a lot of vitamin C that will help you in flushing off the waste and keeping a good shine on your face and your hair. Eat melon fruits. Melon fruits are very high in water content and they will lead to increased urination, helping you flush out the toxins and also the water weight. This is specifically helpful if you have water retention or bloating issues or PCOD problems. Quantity of intake is not defined, so please don't remain hungry. Eat as much as you want. You can have these raw or you can make juice out of it without any added sugar. Moving to the second day, it is a vegetable day. So include a huge variety which will ensure that most micronutrients are provided. You can boil them, steam them, have it raw or make a soup out of it. You can have 1 cup of baked or boiled potatoes today. You can start having the GM diet soup from today, and the best way to start your day is having the baked potato or the boiled potato for breakfast. So I would recommend this very healthy apple and potato salad recipe which is mentioned in the description. On this day, you can use spices to make your boiled or steamed vegetables taste good. No point in eating them bland and then losing your motivation to move ahead. You can also squeeze some lemon on your veggies. This will not only add to taste but also provide vitamin C to ensure that glowing face. If you are fond of salads, you should try various recipes of salad. The recipe link is given below. Add some green tea to your day to ensure detoxification. Make sure you don't add any sugar to this green tea. Moving to the third day, it is a blend of the first 2 days. So you can have all the veggies and fruits that you had on these previous days. You can avoid potatoes and banana on this day. You can have GM diet soup on the third day. Coming to day 4, this is a high potassium and a high carb day. This will help in replenishing your energy stores. You're allowed to eat up to 8 bananas and 4 glasses of milk on this day. You can blend the rest of the time eating fruits and vegetables or even the vegetable soup without cream. You know, this day comes as a blessing in disguise. I call it as a smoothie day. After 3 days of continuous munching on vegetables and fruits, your taste buds would love the change. Just blend a smoothie out of 2 bananas and a glass of milk. And not only this, you can also replace your bananas with mangoes or chikus, whatever is in season. Let us now move to the 5th day. The 5th day is a protein day. On this day, you are supposed to eat 6 tomatoes with other protein foods. You can include paneer, curd, soya milk, soya chunks. The original GM diet needs you to eat around 10 ounces of beef, which provides you 60 to 70 grams of protein. So to meet this, you need to eat either half a kg of paneer, or you can also divide it as 250 grams of paneer plus 20 grams of soya chunks plus 150 ml of curd. Divide this throughout the day. I don't like eating paneer plain, and I'm sure even you will not. I mean, it is bland and I doubt if anyone could really eat it plain. So I suggest you to grate some carrots and a lot of chopped bell pepper, onions and tomatoes. Make paneer bhurji out of it, something like a scrambled egg, and use a lot of spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, etc. for taste. If you like soups, you can make a vegetable soup and add small paneer cubes to it along with some chopped veggies on the top. If you are an vegetarian, you can also replace this half kg paneer with 8 egg whites. Some websites suggest eating brown rice on this day. I found it really irrelevant because brown rice is definitely not protein. 6 tomatoes that you have to eat today can be easily used in diet as a juice along with other vegetables, or you can have 2 tomatoes at a time and divide it into 3 times. Moving on to day 6, it is similar to day 5. And you can eat the same food as you had on day 5. So coming to the last day, that is the 7th day. On this day, you continue to eat vegetables and fruits of your choice along with a cup of brown rice at lunch. Yes, you can have dal or kadhi or simple curd to go with it. If you don't like brown rice, you can also replace it with either one fulka without fat, or you can have broken wheat, that is dalia, in form of pulao. If you have done it all, at the end of the week, you would find yourself weighing lighter than before. I observed that every time I fought hunger while following the plan, I was full of demotivation and I wanted to give up instantly. But I tried to control that emotion by telling myself that GM diet is about restricting the food groups and on particular days and not about remaining hungry. So I went on to eat what was allowed till I felt my stomach was full, and I expect that you do the same. This at least helped me in finishing what I started. Dear listeners, I hope you would have liked the video. A link to the detailed article is mentioned below in the description, and if you're really serious about using GM diet for weight loss, you can also buy our ebook, which contains the detailed menu of all 7 days with the recipes and pictures of them. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notified about our next video on weight loss. Happy eating!